Welcome to Bhavitaram, the legacy for the future. Secret of success is in daily routine. Let's explore how everybody else is getting things done. Secret of success, right? Success is not in an instance. It takes one day at a time to build it. Most of the time, we think that success is just like that, but it has to happen over a period of time with a very planned and deliberate action, probably with a coaching and mentorship, somebody guiding along the way, right? Now let's see what is why people are thinking of success is instant, what made us, okay? Like for example, some people buy the lottery thinking that okay, success is like that, but there are many studies shows that people who won the lottery, within no time, maybe in 3 4 years, they went back to the place where they came, especially the financial situation. How about now we say instant pot, right? This became very popular and famous now. See, it is not instant. It is taking 5 minutes, 20 seconds, right? Nothing is instant. How about this? We talk about instant success. How about this? Popcorn. When we were growing up, my grandmother used to make from the scratch. Select particular specific corn kernels and then warm or heat a pan specially made with mud for making popcorn. It used to take about a couple of hours for her to make the delicious and tasteful healthy popcorn. But nowadays you put everything in the microwave or pre-packaged, right? Things are coming, right? How about this lottery again? How about this? How about this? Instant noodles. Noodles are not instant. It takes 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Now, by the way, if you see this, there was some kind of juggling. The things are coming and going. I made it purposefully because success cannot be at one shot. It has to be back and forth, some course correction along the way, right? So that's why I made it. So in case if you're wondering why this guy presentation is like this, okay? Now, let's go. I'll give you a couple of examples. Which option you would pick? Let's say, for example, right? The, the same project is there for to do about 30 days. One option is you get paid $10,000 every month. $10,000 for a month on a daily basis. And the other one is every day they'll give you penny, but the next day it doubles. So penny doubling daily for a month. So which option you would choose? Most people think about, okay, man, $300,000. Let's take this option. But let's see how you think, because the power of little things, I want to show you what happens. Daily activities done over a period of time, how it will compound and what could be the result, the geometrical progression, right? The very successful leadership author John C. Maxwell says, if you take care of today, it will take care of tomorrow, right? Let's see how it goes, right? See, $10,000 per day, 30 days is $300,000. Now look at this, penny doubling daily for a month. First day it is 1 penny, second day it is second penny. When we went 5 days, it's 16 pennies. 10 days, $5.12. 15 days, $163. Now the day say 26th, you go to $335,000. That means you have to wait that long to see really big money, right? Now let's see this, what happens. At the day 30, you got over $5 million. But what we have in the option one, it's still $300,000. How about this magic? What happens? The compound is now really kicked in, multiplication and the duplication factor. Let's see what happens. Just one more day. For 31 days, it's still $310,000, just $10,000 more. But what happens here? See the magic. It's over $10 million. So success is not going to come overnight, it is compounded daily, and when you see the results, it's amazing eventually. But you got to have a patience and you got to work for it. Okay, now I'll show you a case study of my personal own healthy weight by cutting down 225 calories every day. Okay, now again, most people realize that, oh man, I got overweight. Now you have not become overweight on one day. It has been accumulated day in and day out for a period of time after a few years. But the problem is you recognize it today, or you recognize it yesterday, or you started recognizing now. Oh, something is changing, right? Now, how is this possible? Because every day we are making certain choices of food habits, or maybe you're eating an extra ice cream, or maybe eating something extra, a food cookie here and there and all that. What is happening? Everything adds up, and over a period of time it shows up, right? But same time, people look for the instant results. Like many people, you say programs like, okay, 7 days you lose this weight, 10 days you do this, you don't do this dishes, right? Now these are all not going to work if you're really looking for a healthy choice, because you have accumulated over a period of time your weight. So you got to work back so that every day you take little bit of weight off from you, then you'll become a healthy weight. I'll show you here. I'll give you an example, right? For past 360 days, because I'm doing this a few days before the end of the year, every day cutting 225 calories, that means 81,000 calories have saved, I mean consumed less. Now, 81,000, an average about 3,500 calories will help you to put on a 1 pound weight if you're not using that or consuming that. That means in a year, what happened? I was lighter, I was healthier by 23.2 pounds. Okay, let me show you that. 1 year back, last year, December 2019, December, this is me. And now, this December, this is me. So last year, I was about 167.5 lbs. Today, I am 142 lbs and still counting, right? Over 25 pounds. It happened over a period of 1 year, on average 2 pounds a month. If you do that, what happens is you will be enjoying the journey and you will be healthier and healthier. Okay. Now let's grow in 2021, doing certain little different than what you were doing before. What most success people are doing, they do right things consistently. They do not look for the things whether they like or not, but they do the things that are important and the right things to reach their goals. Okay, what I'm going to do is, let's say you want to study a subject. I just took an example of, let's say, leadership. Suppose you want to develop your leadership, right? Just read 10 pages a daily. What happens is, in a year, you are reading over 10,000 pages. And on average, most of the leadership books are about 200 pages. That means you're reading about 18 books in a year. Now, study or the research says most of the successful CEOs of the corporations, they read at least one book a month, an average one book a month. Now you're reading 1.5 book a month, right? That means what happens after a year from now, you will be reflecting yourself, just like that this picture shows exactly. So when you're reading more and more, you look inside, what is that need to change, how you can build up yourself, right? So you see the difference, but it does not happen overnight. You say, man, I wake up today and I want to read a whole book today. Probably you may do a day or two, but if you can do the things on a daily basis, that compounds and that results in the great success, right? Maybe this is a reading book, right? What is the next one I'm suggesting? Maybe listen to a podcast, 30 minutes a daily. That's about, again, over 10,000 minutes in a day, right? When you are doing this, what is happening? This could allow you to probably equivalent of a professional degree in a year or two, whatever that you like to learn. It could be It could be some technology or science or profession or something hobby, you have a passion, right? Things like that. How about this? The third one I would recommend is applause everybody wherever you go. Be a good finder, right? We go everywhere, we see a lot of people. I am sure now pandemic we may not go and meet people, but see every opportunity, little opportunity you get, be a good finder. What happens if you do that? You develop a magnetic personality. So let's make this world a better place. You yourself start seeing these differences. Maybe in a day or two you won't see it. Probably after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months, then you start seeing the results. Because the consistency of effort over a period of time is required. Now, whatever you are doing on a daily basis, what happens is it's a ripple effect. Let's say you take a stone and throw in the water, which is still. What happens? You see the circles, right? The waves it's creating. That's what happens. The daily basis, what you're making changes and making, like this picture says, if you're better 1% every day, by end of the year, you're 38% better. Right? Now, same time, if you're 1% worst every day, it brings down to you to almost close to zero. Right? So that is the power of compounding on a daily basis, but it has to be, again and again I'm saying, it has to be consistent to see the results. Now, by the way, this works both. As this slide says, whether you do good, it is helping you to go to 38% excess. That means 138% from, if you're at 100% today, after 1 year, you'll be at 138%. And but if you're doing the opposite, the failure way, worst way, what happens is you're going to closer to zero. So the principles works both. If you use it for the better, it will work for the better. If you use it for the not so good, then it will work for that too. Now, knowing the things begin at the end, knowing the end at the beginning helps you to leading yourself. Lead the way. Consistency, dinacharya, that is what I was talking. Pick a habit that you like to do and make a promise to yourself and do this for next 365 days. What happens? Every time you do it, every day you do it, your self-image increases. Your confidence boosts. You'll be more excited, more enthusiastic, more energetic. And you start seeing these benefits in every aspect of your life. That means you're building your confidence, you're building belief. Then you see the results. When you see the results, it compounds. It's a snowball effect. So you can win the cup. So you don't have to worry about anybody else is watching or not. You put the best foot forward and make a goal or make a promise to yourself to pick one habit, one simple habit. Then just do it for next 365 days. Past couple of years, I am every day made a choice to walk 10,000 steps every day. In 3 or 4 years, I missed 1 or 2 days. That too, it's only 50 to 60 steps. I made some miscalculation or the app not work, but the reasons does not work. The results matter, right? So consistency is the key. Now, it is not just a happy new year 2021. We want it's a happy new you. We want you happy new you. That's from our Bhavitharam. We would like to wish you and best of the luck. And please like us, share us, subscribe to us. And also, if you need any help, any guidance, leave a comment in our channel so we can help you to reach out and coach and guide or anything that we can do or direct and guide. So thank you. We are done. We'll see you again in next episode. But before we closing, this is our first video of 12 videos that we are making in next few weeks in the series of health and wealth. So today we talked about how to build wealth leadership and mindset towards the wealth. The next video is going to come on how to take care of your health. So we have a very exciting and enabling, enlightening, adding value series of videos for you. Get on to